Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hello now. I hope that you are very well at your home. You are practicing our videos very beautifully and you are giving good comments also to me. This kind of encouragement we have to continue with our channel. I will be very happy. I will make a good more videos also. In the today last session of geometry progression, in that session number part number 10, in this way I have to explain last two good models about under 4 marks area about series of GP as well as nth term of GP. In that first ninth model, the question is the fourth term of a GP is given, seventh term also given, find the series. Same question we have done in the AP also. Two terms are given, we have to find the general terms of AP, A plus D, A plus 2D. Like that, we have to find GP series A comma AR comma AR square. Means we should require A and R respectively. What are the terms we have to use here? These are the two terms we have to use to find first R, next A. Then we have to find GP is very easy. You have to think, dear friends, every question depends on concept. Don't fear about maths. You have to see the concept, then the maths will be 50% there in your hand. What is the concept? Fourth term. What is the meaning of fourth term in AP or GP? A4 only. In GP we have to utilize AR cube. Clear? Now the value should be 2 by 3. Put equation number 1 as well as seventh term a7 or t7, nothing but a to the power of 6, 7 minus 1, 6, right? Now 16 by 81. Now fraction terms are given, that is the only somewhat complicated. Now simple one, from equations 2 by 1 we have to divide it because it is ratio means a by b, am I right? Now ar power of 6 by ar cube, that is equals 16 by 81 by 2 by 3. A get cancelled. Here r power of 6, r power of 3 get cancelled. We should get more 3 terms in an upper value. R cube we are getting r cube. Now 16 by 81 it will be reciprocal, that nothing but 3 by 2. Reciprocal means 3 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. 3 1 ja 3, 27 ja 81. We are getting simple beta, r cube equals to 81, 8 by 21. Yes, you are getting, yes, your guessing is correct. 8 can be written as 2 power 3, 27 can be written as 3 cube. Very nice. So 2 cube by 3 cube, we have to write exponent form of 8 by 27. When the powers are same, we have to take the common as a power 3. Inside value is 2 by 3, how to put it? When powers are equal, base should be equal. What is the base term? R. Then R equals to what amount? R equals to 2 by 3, friends. Then we are getting R value. Then we have to substitute R value in equation 1. We should get A value. Yes, here I am going to substitute R value in equation number 1. R value substituting in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. A R 2 by 3 power 3, that is equals to 2 by 3. We know very well 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, that is equals to 2 by 3. Again transport right side, it becomes to reciprocal. 27 goes to numerator, 8 will comes to denominator. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, clear. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. So A is equals to 9 by 4. In a GP series, we have to get first term A only, 9 by 4. What is the next term? AR. Very nice. The series will be, dear friends, A comma, AR comma, AR square and so on. What is the A value? First term. What is the first term here? 9 by 4. Right answer is. Next, AR. What is the A value here? 9 by 4. What is the R value, dear friends? 2 by 3. Substitute. Nothing but 9 to 4 to 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Now I should get 3 1 ja, 3 by 2. Here 9 by 4, 3 by 2. Next term. AR square. A value 9 by 4, friends. R value 2 by 3 whole square. Nothing but 9 by 4. 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9. 9 and cancel, 4 4 get cancelled. We should get 1 only. 1 into 1, 1. So this is the series of GP. 9 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 and so on. This is the required GP of this question, dear friends. Yes, from equation 1 and we have to divide it. We will get the R value. R value substituting in any equation, we have to get A value. By using these two values, we have to find the series A comma AR square. This is the required series of this answer, this question also. And you have to see last model, 10th question of in geometric progression, last question this session, but not least question. Let us see such a good question for you. You have to see the 10th model last question, 4 marks question for you, dear friends. Let us see. If the geometric progression, in a geometric progression, two types of series, different types of series are given, right? Have their nth terms are equal. This is a very important word for us. Two nth terms are equal. Find the values of n. Same kind of question also will be important for in arithmetic progression also we have done there. Same process we have to follow, but the nth term will be changed. Here, what is the first series, dear friends? 162, 54, 18 and so on. Here 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9. These are the two different type of series will be there. But I am doing it side by side, but in the exam you have to write side down by down. Down by down. Now here A1, A2, here A1, A2. Clear. When we know the A1 and A2, then we have to find R very easy. Now here A1 equals 162, R equals A2 by A1, nothing but 54 by 162. Simple amma. 54 1 ja, 54 3 ja. Otherwise you can go with 6 table also. So 1 by 3, R value is 1 by 3 amma. 54 1 ja, 54 3 ja. Otherwise you can go with 2 table also, you will get 1 by 3 only. Now A1 equals to 162. What is the nth or nth term formula in GP? A into R to the power of n minus 1, dear friends. Clear. A value 162, R value 1 by 3, n minus 1. This is the first equation. First nth term of this series. Similarly, we have to do here also. A is 2 by 81. Common ratio is 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. It becomes to reciprocal. This denominator part becomes to reciprocal. 81 by 2. Then 2 1 2 get cancelled. 27 1 ja, 27 3 is 81. Otherwise you can go with the 3 table. You should get same value. Then it 3. R equals to 3. What is the nth term? A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is the A value? Friend, first number only. What is R value? 3. N minus 1 we have to write as this. Yes, I am getting two equal terms are there. Two nth terms are there. These two are equal. Yes, that term I am going to do here. 162. Here from equation 1 and 2 both are equal. First equation is what? An. Here An. Nth terms are equal, which means 162 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. And second equation is 2 by 81 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. Here we have to observe one thing, transposition of like terms. What are the numerals are there? You have to transfer one side. What are the power n terms are there? You have to transfer other side. Then it becomes to what will happen? 1 by 3 transfer to right side. 2 by 81 comes to left side. It becomes to reciprocal, dear friends. 162 comes to 2 by 81 reciprocal. 81 by 2 simply we can write. And here 3 to the power of n minus 1 you have to write as is. Here 1 by 3 we can write 3 to the power of minus 1. A 1 by a, like a exponent form, 1 by a power of n converted to numerator a power of minus n. It multiplied with it becomes to 3 to the power of n minus 1. I told you 1 by a power of n is nothing but a to the power of minus n. This term 3 to the power of minus 1 becomes to minus n plus 1. Transfer to right side, the sign will be changed. Means 1 by 3 transfer to right side becomes to 3 to the power of n minus 1 only. Right? Now 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 16, 2 1 ja. 81 into 81 is equals to base are equal, power should be added. N minus 1 plus n minus 1. In exponent first formula, a to the power of m into a to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Now 81 can be written as a base 3, 3 power 4. Here similarly 81 also can be written as a base power 3 power 4. Here base is nothing but 3, n plus n, 2n, minus 1 nothing but minus 2. Here base are same, power should be added, that is nothing but 3 to the power of 8. That is equal to 3 to the power of 2n minus 2. You know very well. When the base are equal, power should be equal. That means 8 is equals to 2n minus 2. That is equals to 2n equals to 10. Yes, you are right. Minus 2 transform left side becomes to plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Now n equals to 10 by 2, 2 is 1 to 5. Therefore, n equals to 5. Thus, we can say that the fifth term is equal in both the series. The fifth term is equal in both nth terms of these two series. Right, friends? And you have to observe what I have done. Find the nth term of this series. Find the nth term of these two. These two are, we have to compare it and transform the like terms, means numerals one side, nth power terms are one side. We are getting n value is 5. This is the way we have to do in the exam. You will get 4 marks. This is under 4 marks question. I hope that today you have to understand last session of geometric progression as well as progression chapter. Dear friends, these 9th and 10th models are which is very useful for you, and you have to practice this kind of question many times. You will get such a good subject for you, and you have a new persons to our channel. Please subscribe our channel and get a good notifications for you as well as development of your subject. Thank you very much.